Amazon, the platform where anyone can buy anything. This leads to people asking questions that make no sense at all. And so today, I'll be going over some of the more interesting questions I found on different hardware products, CPUs, graphics cards, and etc. So let's jump into it. Is this branch new? And how long do you guarantee for this? Is it returnable? Can you use it without plugging into a PC? I've plugged it into my dog before. He was at like 144 FPS. Wouldn't recommend it though. I can't catch up to him. I keep lagging. You can sync and crossfire this graphics card. My Yoda impression is awful, I'm sorry. Where is Vega? It's simple. She's just at these coordinates, you know. Can 2 get them in sort of SLI link? What's best is that they was posted on a Radeon card as well. Is this branch new? Have guarantee for this item? It's 2. It's 2 branches. Why is everyone talking about branches? This GPU has to be connected to the PSU? Or do I just have to put it into the slot? No, it's not the late 90s, early 2000s. Like, is this person just stuck in the past? For this MSI AMD RX 580 Armor HG OC 8GB, why does it say 8GB OC? Does that mean you have to overclock it to get it to the advertised 8GB of VRAM? Yes, everyone, that's the secret of getting more RAM. You have to overclock it. Well done. How much FPS will I get in Fortnite? Now, this was actually posted on like a 3900X or even a 3950X. Imagine buying one of those just to play Fortnite. It's not even the best battle royale game. Apex Legends is the better one. Don't add me. What does it mean by internal graphics card? That it goes inside your PC. What do you expect? You just want to put it on your desk and expect to work? Please touch heat pipes on your cooler and tell us if under load are they hot, as it seems as some CPU batches have bad machining of hot spreader surface. Imagine if someone actually does it. Like, because someone asked on Amazon. Just because someone asked on Amazon, you go and touch your heat pipes. Like, no, don't touch your heat pipes. And also, it's just like the worst way ever to check temperatures. Just go into anything, go into hardware info, anything, and just check the temperature. Simple. No touching of heat pipes, please. How many FPS will Fortnite run with 32GB of 3000 MHz RAM? Again, who's buying 32GB of RAM for Fortnite? Do yourself a favor. Don't. How much FPS will this run with an RX 580 8GB? Some. The answer you're looking for is some. Can I download extra RAM? Well, you can't download it. However, you can overclock it to get even more RAM out of it. I can install the motherboard M2N SLI Deluxe. Now, you can definitely install a motherboard, but this is posted on some DDR4 Corsair memory. And the motherboard they're talking about is an AM2 based motherboard. What are you doing? Why? Cease. Don't. Just do some research, please. Is this 16GB worth? I don't know, £60? Will this work with ASRock AB350 Pro 4? Sorry, it was a gift for my grandson. And finally, the creme de la creme of this is, once again, on some DDR4 memory from Corsair. Someone asked, does this work with DDR5? I don't even know what on earth they could be asking about here. And quite frankly, I don't want to know. But anyway, this was just a slightly different video from the norm. If you enjoyed it, let me know and I'll make more of them. As always, if you need a new PC and are based in the UK, then buy from us at AvronaSystems.com. We are the obvious choice. And also, I'd like to thank my Patreon barrier you for supporting the channel. Thank you ever so much. And also, join my Discord, or else. It's down in the video description below, and I'm sure you enjoyed. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever. And I'll see you all in what I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.